Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the JUSJUBR Under Cabinet Lighting, a versatile and compact lighting solution perfect for kitchens, shelves, and closets. This dimmable kitchen cabinet light features a sleek, narrow design that remains virtually invisible once installed, yet it delivers a warm, bright glow with its 33 LEDs per light bar, ensuring wide coverage and pleasant illumination. The dimmable LED closet light comes with a convenient memory function, allowing you to maintain your preferred brightness setting even after turning it off, though it resets if unplugged. Installation is a breeze with its lightweight design, double-sided tape, and included clips for securing extra cord length, making it a hassle-free addition to any space. Built with a sturdy aluminum body that doubles as a heatsink, this under-shelf light is not only energy efficient but also flicker-free, ensuring a stable and safe lighting experience. Whether you're looking to brighten up your kitchen counters or add a touch of elegance to your closet, the JUSJUBR Under Cabinet Lighting offers a seamless blend of functionality and style. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.